How do we study the Bible as a beginner? The Bible is an incredible book that has been inspiring and guiding people for thousands of years. But for beginners, approaching this vast and complex text can be a daunting task. In this guide, we will provide 7 tips and techniques to help you study the Bible effectively and gain a deeper understanding of its message, whether as a newcomer to Christianity or just beginning to explore the Bible. Tip 1. Choose a version of the Bible that is easy to read and understand, such as the New International Version, NIV, New Revised Standard Version, NRSV, or the English Standard Version, ESV. Tip 2. Start with a short and easy-to-understand book, such as the Gospel of John or the Book of Psalms. Tip 3. Set a specific time and place for Bible study and commit to it. It can be a few minutes each day or a longer period once a week. Tip 4. Take notes while you read and try to summarize what you have read in your own words. This will help you understand and remember what you have read. Tip 5. Seek guidance from a trusted pastor, matured Christians, or mentor who can help you understand difficult passages and answer any questions you may have. Tip 6. Use Bible study tools such as a concordance, Bible dictionary, and commentary to help you better understand the historical and cultural context of the Bible. Tip 7. Pray for guidance and understanding as you read and study the Bible. The Holy Spirit can provide insight and clarity that you may not find on your own. This is Inspired Gospel TV. Stay blessed.